purpose of this trip is to fix Alex's butt. It didn't help that he went off-roading with his Lambo. Shit. But our goal here is to do step one. Step one is to get his spoiler put on. Once we get that spoiler put on, some things are gonna get painted, and we're gonna work on making it more beautiful. You got any plans to go off-roading with the Rap Legends Lambo? Probably not. We might do. We have some ideas that we might do, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. We're gonna lift it up and get rid of the shit in the back, and see if we can start at least mounting it before we head out. So is this stock or not? What's going on? Exhaust is off. Let's take off the heat shield. Well, you can see all the damage done from off-roading. Probably clean it up a little bit before we put everything back on. Ah! Man, no, put some elbow grease into it. It ain't that easy, brother. Alex, go ahead and cut that for me. I think it's cutting the angle.
Oh, there's like a
washer or
metal
something?
sheet there. Pretty much. Ah, God, I'm so smart. That was easy.
Before you turn it on, what's going on?
We about to go ham. It stopped raining for a second, so we about to do. So it's a little muddy. It might get dirty.
The cops might come about 10 minutes, though.
So how should I do this?
I just cut a hole in the bottom.
Yeah.
Maybe some holes in the.
Yeah, scissors.
Some armholes.
What's this little project? Yep, my little arts and crafts. Struggling there. He must have thought he was 6 foot something for a second.
Where'd he go? He's out of here. He said, fuck your bag.
I'm about to get real rowdy with this quad. It's my first time actually on dirt. We always play with it on asphalt, but we know we're gonna have to wait a little bit while Alex's wing is powder coated. So with the downtime, we're just gonna get a little bit loose with this little bad boy, and see if I could not f myself up since I don't have the helmet. But,
shit her down.
Ooh, that's just like a workout. Was that rowdy or did that look lame? When you go through that hip, it sounds like it feels like you're going like far as hell, but you only get like 1 inch of
Could you imagine like the pros? Could you imagine?
yeah, I don't know how they
that?
do it. How they do backflips and they go like wah, wah, wah. Wants to wrap the wing when it's done, so we're gonna visit a Fast Signs to have them either print or see what they have in stock with colors.
I don't know how y'all do that. How do y'all do that? Suspects and
But it's really hot. Oh, that's that.
You tripping? That was
Here.
pretty big.
Just a little piece.
I just want to smell it.
Stop being just a little piece. It's not that bad, right? It's pretty
Yeah, right now.
10 seconds later.
Shit. I wish I had my milkshake still. Like, I want a reaction out of you.
I need to see it.
Yeah.
Nah, I see you turning a little red.
I'm already red, dude. I'm a ginger.
Wings going back on. Back from powder. And yeah, it'll be back up in like 10 minutes. We'll be up.
Rookie, you can't do it without seams?
No, just
Nah, no excuses.
Do you have the whole story? On
No
why
excuses.
there's
I don't know
a
what you talking about.